In this video, we will look at how to use the document input feature in the Kaisa AI Agent. With document input, you can make selected documents available to Kaisa and use their content as part of your AI-assisted work. This allows Kaisa to search for relevant information from your documents and use that information when answering your questions. This can be useful, for example, when working with reports, presentations, spreadsheets, energy management documentation, facility information, or other text-based documents. Document input supports several common file types, including PDF files, PowerPoint presentations, Excel files, text files, CSV files, JSON files, and Word documents. For best results, use documents where the important information is available as clear text. Documents that contain mainly scanned pages, images, or visual diagrams may be more difficult for Kaisa to use, especially if the relevant information is not available as readable text. Before using documents with Kaisa, a few requirements must be in place. Your profile must have the Kaisa AI Agent service activated. In addition, you need the Documents Write role for your user to share a document with AI in the Documents service of the platform. The document input workflow has two main steps. The first step is sharing the document with AI. This is done with the Share with AI action. When you share a document with AI, the document is processed and indexed into a searchable format. This means that the document content is prepared so that Kaisa can later search for relevant text sections based on your questions. The second step is activating the document for your profile. This is done with the Active for Profile setting. When a document is active for your profile, it becomes available in the file tree inside Kaisa. From there, you can select the document and use it in a conversation. In Kaisa, open the chat view and locate the file tree. The file tree shows the documents that have been shared with AI and activated for your current profile. The documents are organized into different folders. This structure helps you find the right material more easily, especially when several documents have similar names. If you have recently activated a document and it is not visible in the file tree, refresh the file list. To use a document, select it from the file tree and drag it into the chat. You can add up to 5 documents if you want Kaisa to use more than one source in the same conversation. Once a document has been attached to the chat, write your prompt. For example, you can ask, "How can I develop my energy management practices based on this document?" Kaisa will then search the attached document for the most relevant text sections and use those sections to create an answer. The answer is based on the document content that best matches your question. Kaisa does not necessarily read the entire document from start to finish for every question. Instead, it looks for the parts of the document that are most relevant to what you asked. After receiving the first answer, you can continue with follow-up questions. You can also combine document-based information with the context of your work in Kaisa. For example, you can use documents to support analysis, reporting, planning, or decision-making related to energy management, facilities, meters, or other tasks.